Now that we understand what value is, let's take the next step. How is this value actually created and delivered to the customer? Does it happen in just one step or does it flow through multiple activities across the organization? In reality, value is created through a series of interconnected processes involving different departments from supplier to customer. This entire journey of value creation is what we call the value stream.
A value stream is the complete sequence of activities required to deliver a product or service to the customer. It includes both value added and non value added activities, starting from raw material all the way to final delivery. In simple terms, value stream means all the steps involved in creating and delivering value to the customer. And this is exactly what Lean focuses on, understanding this entire flow so that we can eliminate waste and improve efficiency across the system. Let's understand this with a real life manufacturing example. Consider a typical process in a cement or manufacturing plant. Raw material arrives, then it goes through crushing and processing, followed by kiln operations, grinding, packing, and finally dispatch to the customer. All these steps together form the value stream. But here's the important insight, not every step in this stream adds value. There are delays such as waiting time, material handling, and inventory buildup, which are part of the process but do not add value from the customer's perspective. The goal of Lean is to identify these non value added activities and reduce or eliminate them so that the overall flow becomes faster and more efficient.
Now let's understand an important concept, the types of value streams. There are typically two types of flows in any value stream. First is the material flow, which is the physical movement of products from raw material all the way to finished goods. Second is the information flow, which includes orders, production planning, scheduling, and communication across the organization. Both of these flows are equally important because without proper information flow, materials cannot move efficiently and the entire systems can gets disrupted. That's why in value stream mapping we always map both material and information flow together to get the complete picture.